How to set song as ringtone on Android in 1 minute. What are we doing? Find the setting and click on the icon. Scroll down and find the sound and vibration section. See an image of a handset with a ringtone label. Click on it. Select Choose Local Ringtone and then File Manager. Here we find the melody that we downloaded to our phone in advance and save. I will choose anyone. Everything is ready. We can also go back a step and select music. Here we will find the ringtone that we have uploaded to the standard music app. Choose a ringtone and now he will be on our call. You can change the ringtone at any time in the same way. Now you know how to set song as ringtone on Android phone in 1 minute. You're so good. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.